Good morning. My name is Mark Gorman, co-founder of the Electronic Guardian. So over the past 20 years, banks and credit unions have seen a compression in their margins of 20+%. You've literally done everything you can to move your clients towards technology and away from your people. This has transformed you into a commodity where the only thing you can compete on is price. Now, study after study is showing that when you utilize technology to empower your people, you will have outsized results. So our product is a white-labeled digital vault called the Coop, and it's designed to help your people capture an outsized share of your client's wallet by identifying unknown assets and utilizing active cross-selling. It's making your clients significantly more sticky, and it's ensuring that wealth stays with you from this generation to the next. So let's sign in. So you'll see here we use a private, by design, zero-knowledge architecture. In short, it's crypto-level security coupled with our own patented recovery process. Now, we've all been there. We have documents scattered everywhere and emails from 3 years ago and multiple file cabinets. Maybe it's in that box in your basement. Probably 30 to 40% of the things you need, you have no idea where they exist. The Coop is designed to take that mess and bring it into a single high secure repository for every vital document and relationship that client owns. It's simple yet comprehensive. So you'll see in here, I lost my mouse. We see in here, we have your banking relationships, core states. That was my first job out of grad school. You have your real estate holdings, your retirement accounts, your insurance, life, auto, home, etc., your private investments, and you also have your public investments, everything you would expect a mass affluent person to hold and own. And much of what's contained here is giving you that comprehensive view. Now, sure, you have private banking, and some of your, in the information, you have more information about those private banking clients. But here's the thing. How many private banking clients are you missing because you just don't know to ask? The Coop fills that void. Now, further, you'll see we had things like the will, the trusts. We also have what we're calling information designees. So this system is designed to go from a virtual safe deposit to an estate inventory management system upon the user's death. And this is where you're positioned to ensure those assets stay with you. Now, let's go through a few examples in here about how you could use the Coop to your advantage. Let's think about the real estate section. So here we look at your different real estate holdings. It could be your primary, your secondary, all your investment properties. You upload all the accompanying documentation. If you have a management services company, the contacts, you also house all your tax basis information. So those receipts, those invoices, those canceled checks, and any type of tax filings, all here. Now, how does this work for you? So think about it. I have a friend, couple, they own 5 investment properties, but they have no mortgages on these properties. They just have a simple checking account. So the bank, they look like nothing more than a zero to the left. But to the Coop, they look like a real estate mogul with unlevered equity. Now we have just provided your team with the insight to go pitch a HELOC, pitch wealth management services before my friends go out online and research where they're going to put this money. It allows you to take those proactive steps. Now let's think about how you could utilize the system to help you cross-sell. Now I will say on the implementation process, we work with you hand in hand to match your product spread. But think on the insurance side. So they put in all their insurance holdings, and you might have homeowners, et cetera. But again, my friends, no umbrella policy. So you could imagine a nudge, a pop-up. We notice that you own multiple investment properties, but you don't have an umbrella properties. You don't have an umbrella policy to protect the whole. Would you like a quote? Further, the system can act as a lead gen tool for your local branch, letting them know that so-and-so doesn't have any life insurance or they're underinvested in their retirement accounts. Again, all helping your team through technology take those proactive steps for that high-touch delivery. Now, we did do a tour of the whole, so why not do that with a client that you've identified for expansion? We're going to give you the Coop. or whatever you want to call it. But part of that is we're going to take you on a 20, 30-minute tour, work with you to understand what you need to put in here, ensure you're organized and your loved ones are protected. This does two things. One, it allows the banker to know instantly where there's opportunity, and two, it makes your client feel special. The mass affluent are often ignored. It's 28% of our population, and they're without a home. It's an opportunity. Now, we talk about wealth transfer. So here we have the information designees. You can put in an information designee, decide what information from the vault they get upon your passing, and that information doesn't go to them until the individual user has died. Now, the information designees themselves alert the system. And here's the thing, no death certificate, no waiting weeks and months. We get instantly notified, and the second we get notified, you get notified so you can take those proactive steps to keep those assets in-house where they belong. Now, here's the thing. I mentioned the mass affluent. Providing them with the COOP and the high-touch services of your organization allows you to become the center of their financial universe again. We have and we can discuss it if you'd like to come to the booth, but we have a regional bank we're working with. We did an analysis of their opportunity. Their version of the COOP, assuming 10% of their client base gets the COOP, and they're able to cross-sell their wealth management and insurance products to 3% of the 10, or 0.3% of their client base. Using average numbers, it's projected to result in a 4% increase to their net revenue. So we appreciate your time. Love to see you at our booth, 103. We're way back in the corner. Thank you.